Hi there, welcome back to my channel. We have a super duper special surprise for you because I have recently purchased another Vegan Town tree box. I remember doing these for so long and then I thought, oh, just mix it up, I get a new subscription box. But recently I've just been craving another one of these beautiful boxes because they've always done it so well and they've always surprised me each time. So I haven't subscribed, I've just brought this as a one-off just because I'm feeling hungry for some really yummy vegan chocolate. So literally without further ado, I'm going to get straight into it. It's got a nice new little box as well. It's very similar to the other one, but it comes in a bigger box now, and then this one comes with it. So we got a little tag. The last ones, they're like little wallet cards that they had, but they obviously changed their little welcome card, which is nice. They still got Lip Fairy, which I love, so cute. Yes, so anyway, what we have for the first one are Jealous Sweets, and these are Fizzy Friends, grapefruit and peach flavour. So they're just little fizzy, squishy sweets that actually look quite nice. I think we had this brand before. I think it was the little gummy bears, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that this brand does the gummy bears, and they were so good, really, really good. So I'm actually excited to try this. I'm not a fan of like chewy sweets a lot of the time, but this brand is really good. So that is the Jealous Sweets Fizzy Friends. The next thing in our box are these. I'm going to guess they are chocolate honeycomb. Yes, and they are chocolate honeycomb. I really, really do love honeycomb. I mean, I could probably easily make it, but I work a lot and it's a nightmare to make. And I was actually looking at something similar in the shop the other day, but they are just so expensive. Just because it's vegan, it really does not need to be expensive. You're literally using less ingredients and less expensive ingredients at that. But these look really good, actually. So the brand is Guppies Chocolates York, so made in Yorkshire. The packaging is compostable and biodegradable, which is awesome. Really love that. And it almost looks like it's a family-run homemade business with this style of packaging as well. So I'm really, really excited to have this because it's just beautiful. So yeah, that is the Guppies Chocolate Honeycomb. The next thing we have, it's bringing back lots of memories now. I haven't had this for so long, but it really is bringing a lot of fantastic memories back. So this is the Vivani Mendel Orange Rice Chocolate Bar, and from my memory this is a very silky smooth chocolate bar. My favourite was the Rice Krispie one. I can't remember if I've had the orange one or not, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to enjoy it. There's not much else to say to this. I mean, I don't know if it's going to have little orange bits in or if it's just an orange flavour or what, but it's still pretty darn delicious. And I would definitely recommend the cornflake one, so get your hands on that one if you can. So yeah, that is the Vivani chocolate bar. The next thing we have is the Rapunzel chocolate vegan. Ooh, so this is coconut flavored chocolate, which actually sounds bizarre, but I will of course give it a go and see how it goes. So it's a full-size chocolate bar and you've got a little diagram. So this brand I've had before, not this one, but it had a gooey filling of whatever flavour it was. And quite rich, if I remember as well. So can't really eat a lot at a time. But yeah, so it's actually a Swedish brand. See, just looking at the back here, which is, again, I always say a box like this is amazing because you obviously can't just go to a local supermarket and buy some Swedish chocolate. So it's nice to be able to explore worldwide foods without going to the worldwide, especially in times like this. But yeah, interested. Not big fan of coconut, but I'll give it a go. So yeah, that is the Rapunzel coconut chocolate bar. Right, I spy something that I'm really hoping it's the one I think it is. It is this chocolate bar here. I'm hoping it's the Mars bar. I forget what they look like. So the definition is fluffy chocolatey nougat in a chocolatey coating, which honestly just, yes. So I think this is the Mars bar alternative. This same brand, Buccaneer, also do a Snickers and a Milky Way. I'm not sure if they do anything else, but that's what I know of. So they're quite dense, but they I guess they're quite realistic to the real deal, the milky deal, but without the milk. Yeah, can't really say much about this, but yeah, obviously if you are missing any type of traditional chocolate bar, then I would recommend this brand. I believe you can buy it online some places as well. Obviously the Vegan Town will have it on their website, but yeah, again, you can't go to the supermarket and buy these, and I've not actually seen them in a health food shop either, so unfortunately. But yeah, that is the Buccaneer Faco Mars Baro. Right, ooh, doesn't this look delicious? So Mood Free, as you can see, is a common brand in the supermarkets and health food shops, but I have never seen a sea salt and lime chocolate bar. What? Does that not just sound perfect on this sunny afternoon? Do you not think? I've never ever had a lime flavoured chocolate bar. I've had salt in a chocolate bar before, which is really nice. But yeah, oh my goodness. I'm really excited to try this. So this is also made from rice milk. Such a cute little design. Oh my goodness. It literally says on the side that it is fun. This is the definition of fun. I'm actually super excited to try that one. I have never seen that before. Yeah, so rice milk with sea salt and lime. 45% cocoa, so it'd be a more milky chocolate bar, which is nice because a lot of vegan chocolate is dark, which can get a bit sickly. But yeah, Mood Free chocolate bar. Right, we're getting really low in here, which is very disappointing. So we have a Almond Bliss Vigo White. We've had this before. I kind of like it. Again, white chocolate is not my deal. But for a vegan white chocolate, it's pretty darn amazing. You got the silky smooth, you got the richness, and obviously this has little almond pieces in, which obviously make chocolate a lot more better. Yeah, again, not a lot to say. You can't really get this many places either, but it's more available than the rest of the products we've just had. So yeah, I would definitely say if you're missing a white chocolate, then this is the brand for you. But yeah, there you go. Right, 2 things left. So we have dark chocolate almond buttercups. Get out the way, Reese's, because Doisy and Dan are in town with their buttercups. But this is an almond buttercup, which I'm sure will be just as delicious. Hopefully they're not too sweet. I remember eating Reese's peanut butter cups, and they were like eating a bag of sugar, and they were just, you know, you could eat this much at a time, and not fun. So you get 3, and look, this is literally how small they are. So even cute, really cute. They are gluten-free, natural ingredients, ethical cocoa, vegan, certified B. Anyone know what certified B means? Because I sure don't. But yeah, I'm really excited. Palm oil free as well, even better. Yeah, Doisy and Dan are actually a really decent company if you've not tried them. Their chocolate is very smooth, very rich, beautiful. But yeah, Doisy and Dan almond butter cups. The last thing we have in our box, sadly, is one we've had before, and it is white chocolate. Yes, it says on the back, organic cocoa butter preparation with bourbon vanilla. That actually sounds beautiful. However, I might actually just make cookies of this. I mean, white chocolate and raspberry cookies are to die for, so it is not a waste. I will definitely eat it one way or another. But yeah, I remember having this brand, iChoc, and they have a milk chocolate and cookie pieces, and that is honestly the best. It's so good. It's so good. It really is. I thought this was that one because of the little flaky bits you have here, but it's not, unfortunately. But anyhow, this is the chocolate bar, a full-size bar as well, which is obviously good. But yeah, I will definitely be making something with this, because why not? Yeah, I think this one is possibly a Swedish brand as well. Do not quote me on that, because I'm not 100% sure. I mean, it says something Germany on the back, so there we go. But yeah, that is the last thing in the box, I'm afraid. So this box cost me £20 with packaging of £3. Near enough. Which is actually pretty darn good if you think about it. We have 3 big chocolate bars, which I can guarantee would at least cost you £2, £3 each if you were to buy them separately. I know this for a fact is around £2.50, and this one is probably the same because Vigo is quite an expensive brand. So as you can see, it's already adding up pretty fast. But as I mentioned earlier on in the video, it's absolutely amazing to be able to find all of these stunning brands without having to leave your doorstep, because that's the one thing I found really tricky when I transitioned to vegan, which was 4 years ago, that I just went to the same supermarket, I had the same boring old snacks that they had in there, and you know, it gets boring and then you start feeling like that's the only thing to look forward to, basically. But definitely search online to see what is out there if you're craving things. That's all I can say to you. As you can see, we have all of these. So honestly guys, check out the link below, if I remember to put it in, that is, to this beautiful website. This is not sponsored or promoted or blah 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 whatever. It's just purely for fun, and I want to show all you guys that are a bit doubtful about what you can actually get that is an alternative. So here you are. This is just a small handful of things. But yeah, stay safe guys. See you soon. Bye.